Remove the 2 screws on the side of the cartridge. Do the same on the other side. Compatible cartridges made in China may be slightly different. The difference between the different versions of the cartridge is the slot located in different places. A type of cartridge cannot be used in other machine. Remove the 2 screws on the front of the cartridge. Lift up and remove the waste chamber from the cartridge. Make sure the tags on the side slide out of the slot. If you try to lift the cover off without sliding the tab out, it will break off. Remove the 2 side end caps. Slide the charge roller away from the contact side and remove it. Remove the drum. If not damaged, the drum is probably reusable. Look for wear and check for nicks. If damaged, the drum will show a series of dots that repeat every 75 millimeters. Make attention, the light may damage the drum. A light damaged drum will show what was a shaded area on the page that should be white. This will repeat every 75 millimeters. If you need more information on how to clean a drum, click here. Remove the 2 screws. Remove the wiper blade. If not damaged, it's not necessary to change the wiper blade. Clean the wiper blade with isopropyl alcohol. Remove this gear. It's not necessary to remove all the other gears. Make attention not to lose them. Remove this spring. Pry out the roller plate from the cartridge by pressing on a tag located on the bottom of the cartridge. Remove the developer roller. Pry out the fill plug. It fits tight and is easily damaged. Clean out any remaining toner from the cartridge. It's better to use compressed air. If possible, use a toner workstation. Getting all the old toner out is very important. The toner left in the cartridge is mostly waste toner. And if you have 2 different types of toners in the cartridge at the same time, the quality will be compromised. You can also clean the cartridge at open air. Do not breathe the toner dust. Reinstall the wiper blade and 2 screws. Be careful not to damage the recovery blade that is located next to the wiper blade. If this blade is bent in any way, the cartridge will leak. Using a cotton swab, clean the doctor blade so there's no evidence of buildup along the edge. If any buildup exists, the cartridge will streak. The doctor blade controls the amount of toner on the developer roller. Be careful not to press too hard and damage the blade. If the blade has a heavy buildup of toner on it, clean it with acetone. Make attention not to damage the smile or sealing blade. Clean the developer roller with isopropyl alcohol. The developer roller carries the toner from the supply chamber to the drum. Clean the charge roller with water. Install the developer roller. Install the roller plate. Install the spring. This is the right position of the tail of the spring. Reinstall the gear. Install the drum in place. Install the charge roller by sliding it through the non-convex side. Install the gear side end cap and 2 screws. Fill the cartridge with toner. This cartridge takes 90 grams of toner. Starter cartridges takes 45 grams. Replace the fill plug and check for leaks. Install the other end cap and the 2 screws. Make sure the end cap sits flush with the rest of the cartridge. Install the waste chamber by sliding the tap through the slot in the end cap. Install the 2 screws. Turn the drum by hand to make sure it doesn't flip the blade. There's a fuse to reset the machine. The fuse is located on the right front of the cartridge. Replace this fuse, and the work is done. The fuse is a 63 microampere, 250 volt, fast-acting, 5 and 20 millimeters, glass type. But a 100 microampere fuse will works. Make attention. If this tab is broken, the cartridge will print blank pages.